Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I have a very special unboxing. Well, every unboxing is very special actually on this channel, but particularly today, the long-term goal of constructing my JFK Terminal 4 into 1:400 scale is finally going to come true. Let's get into this unboxing of New York JFK's Terminal 4. Alright guys, starting off, let's see what we got here. Ooh, look at that. Terminal 4 is coming to life. Looks like we have some of the jet bridges in here. Oh yeah, this is a big terminal, guys. Very excited. It's been a long time coming. I'm super excited for this one. I mean, everyone I'm excited for, but like, I've flown out of this terminal many times on Delta. Done lots of YouTube videos on my channel called Passenger Alex. So it's just, just done a lot of flying out of there. Everyone has an airport that they've flown out a lot of themselves a lot of. Sorry guys, can't even talk today. Oh my gosh. Holy cow, you guys, look at this. Beautiful. Oh my lord. It is a great time to be alive. That's all I gotta say. Look at this. New York JFK Terminal 4, everybody. Here's the main head house, if you will. We're just gonna set that on there lightly. Thank you, Tarmac Designs Indiana, Andy, for your amazing work. You always do amazing work, and I do appreciate you very much. Your hard work does not go unnoticed. It goes very noticed. And I will be a long-time customer, forever. Wow, look at this. Super cool. Let's just go ahead and keep it going, guys. Wow. Super happy. Let's keep it going. What do we got in here? Another piece. So this isn't the entire airport, guys. It's JFK Terminal 4, but this is a big portion of Terminal 4, of course. So it'll be enough to put on the layout and actually have it look really cool and do videos with it too. So we'll get this all together here, and then I'll show you guys kind of like what it all looks like. So stay tuned. One moment. Absolutely incredible. Wow. Guys, look at this thing. Okay, let's get it together here quick. All right, here it is. Pretty much all together here. As well as look at these jet bridges, guys. These are incredible. Oh my gosh. I don't ever want to break these things. That's insane. All right, guys. Well, here it is, JFK T4. We'll get these on in a moment. Also, correction, this is the proper setup for this right here. So take a look. Absolutely incredible. A little bit of cleanup to do here, and I'll show you guys with these jet bridges attached too very soon. So just stay tuned, guys. All right, everybody, feast your eyes on the JFK T4 layout. Finally got it together. Other portions, like I said, are coming in the coming weeks here to finish it off. But really happy with the turnout here. I'll give you guys another video here of a detailed arrivals and departures. Honestly, in the coming days, so stay tuned. Again, appreciate you guys. Model Airport Nation here. Instagram, TikTok, and of course right here on YouTube, guys, at Model Airport Nation. I do appreciate you guys for your support. A lot coming in the near future. Shout out to Tarmac Designs Indiana. Andy, you did an amazing job on this layover layouts for the layout. Jetson Models GSE, as well as Tiny Tugs GSE. Thank you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy collecting.